Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Holistic Collective. If you are new here, then a big hello to you. We are a channel which brings you informative, funny, useful, and many other categories of videos to make your day a tad bit better or maybe a lot better. How modest, I tell you. So today's video will be about the highly requested topic, a diet. Today we will see about a special and most viral type of diet. It is known as the DASH diet. No, this isn't where you make a dash for the diet, but this diet is called the DASH diet because DASH, as in DASH, stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. Gosh, who would ever be able to tell this what it means? So, contrary to its name, the diet itself is very simple, easy, and useful. It is approved by millions of doctors and dietitians. Going deep into statistics, which I'm not good at, but apparently the ones who are better at it, recommended this diet with a rating of 3.3 out of 5 in weight loss effectiveness category and 4.5 out of 5 in a health effectiveness category. This rating is higher than what I ever scored math in school. Sigh. So turns out from 40 diets that are chosen as best for people, this one has been chosen at numero uno. So ladies and gentlemen, the star of all diets presenting the DASH diet. Now for a little science. This diet helps reduce blood pressure, which reduces hypertension. Apparently, there are certain blood concerns and body issues that can be resolved or bettered after following this diet. Studies suggest that the DASH diet reduces cholesterol, prevents stroke, heart failure, and helps in losing weight. And if that wasn't good enough, it also targets blood pressure. So people also see results in their insulin levels. Better results, of course. Else the tone I would be saying this would be different. So this diet mainly regulates by maintaining your nutrients and minerals like potassium and calcium. Now the question is, what exactly do you need to do to gain these nutrients? Well, all you need to do is reduce salt intake and eat certain specified foods. For example, fruits, vegetables, and protein-rich foods. I am guessing you are already worrying about cutting down on your favorite foods. Well, good news. Nope, you don't have to. The DASH diet isn't like every other diet plan you followed by starving yourself or resisting yourself from all the yumminess in front of you. Here, you need to just alter the proportions and voila, you have yourself a DASH diet. How cool is that? I am so gonna make a dash for the DASH diet right after this video. But before that, let's see on few things you need to keep in mind to get yourself a good DASH diet plan. So first up, drink at least 67 ounces, that's almost 1.98 liters of fluids per day. Now, most of it has got to be water, but of course, you may include green tea and juices, whatever suits you the best. Next up isn't about the quantity, but it's the quality. So try to eat 5 times a day. You need to have portion control here and limit your meals to smaller portions, but definitely not majorly lesser quantities than usual. So this way you are aware of both quality and quantity of your meal intake. Now the next thing you need to consider are calorie deficit meals. This basically means you have to limit your daily calorie intake from about 2000 to 2500 calories per day. Next up is some good news for all you peeps with a sweet tooth. Hey, don't worry, we got you. You don't have to drastically cut down on eating sweets, but yes, again, portion control and reduce it to 5 times a week. In addition to this, try to incorporate cereals and greens like leafy vegetables into your meals. You also need to eat beans. The DASH diet has some enemies, and those are soda and alcohol. So these two devils are out, in case you didn't know. Soda and alcohol increase your blood pressure and alleviates tension in the liver and brain. Scary. No, wait, there's something scarier. Tobacco. So peeps, avoid smoking. Now for the not so scary things. Snacks. Oh, how I love snacking. So for all you snack lovers out there, good news. You can sure snack while on the DASH diet, but limit yourself to 8 snacks per day in between meals. 8 may seem like a big number, but the quantity of food should be lighter. Now, for the salt. No need to cut it out completely, but reduce your salt intake to 2 to 3 spoons per day. Your diet should include whole wheat foods too. Avoid pickled food, smoked food, and barbecue meat and veggies. A lot of people are used to eating these on a regular basis and may find it difficult to give up. But if you know that cutting these foods will help avoid hypertension and lowering potassium in your diet will make you feel much lighter in general. The other things you are allowed on a DASH diet are bananas, white beans, black beans, sweet potatoes, and watermelon juice. But remember, nothing that is allowed should be overdone, and balance is the key. Moreover, you need to analyze what's ideal for you rather than what you want. If weight loss is what you're targeting, minimize the quantity of calorie-rich foods. If health is what you're aiming for, incorporate at least 5 servings of vegetables steamed or lightly tossed in healthy oils like olive oil or sesame oil. Check for your allergies. No matter what diet you follow, remember to keep checking what foods you may be allergic to. For those who are lactose intolerant, can opt for alternate options like soy milk. For those who have no issues with milk, you may drink 2 to 3 servings of dairy products. Things like nuts and seeds can be consumed at 5 servings per week. For all you cereal fans, you can have max 8 servings per week, so 1 bowl of cereal per day seems good. You can also have oats, and meat lovers, don't fret. Meats are allowed. Lean meats, about 7 ounces a day should be ideal. Eggs will do too. And last but not the least, no junk food, no fried food while on the diet. Well, now how many times have you heard this, let alone this year? Comment below. Mine would be 74,589 times. Only if I could get $1 whenever I hear this. Now making a dash back to the DASH diet. Along with all that we just told you, remember to do at least some form of exercise, sleep well, and never forget to smile. And also remember to like, share, and subscribe.